When your job items are ready for invoicing, head to the Create Invoice tab. A confirmation pop-up will confirm your intention. Click Create Invoices to complete the process. Upon confirming the invoice, you will be redirected to the Invoicing tab within the Sales module, where you can review the draft invoice. The first column on the left color code invoices, with each color representing the categories outlined at the top of the screen. The Not Invoiced tab in the Completed Jobs section allows for batch invoicing. To start, select the jobs linked to the same client, then click the $ icon in the toolbar. Ensure that only a single invoice is generated in the Create Invoices pop-up screen. If multiple invoices are generated, confirm that the selected companies are the same. Once you click Create Invoices, a prompt will appear asking if you would like to view the invoices right away. The View Invoice selection will redirect you to the Sales module, where you can view the draft invoice. While modifications can be made during the draft stage, any changes to the invoice amount will require you to update the job items to ensure the amounts correspond. When an invoice is created, the invoice date is established and the due date is determined based on the payment terms associated with the customer record. Key details like customer name, quote, job number and project are highlighted in blue as hyperlinks for easy reference to the invoice. Click the pencil icon in the toolbar to open the edit screen. To update details such as the invoice date or to include a client purchase order, click the triangle-shaped toolbar icon to access the editing screen. To reorder the invoice lines, then simply click and drag the lines to arrange them as desired. To rename the section header, click on the section header and use the pencil icon to edit the section name or add description. To edit invoice items, select the header and then select the item to edit. You can add descriptions to each invoice line, which will display beneath the line item name. Additionally, you can edit both the item name and its base price. However, please note that discrepancies will arise if the total of the items in the job does not align with the invoice total. Preview the invoice as a PDF, download it, or export to Excel using the toolbar. If there are errors, click the pencil to edit items or the bin icon to delete the draft invoice, which can be more efficient than modifying both the invoice and job items separately. From the preview, we can see the changes made to the section heading and description added to the line item. After finalising the invoice, click the orange Submit tab to lock it, preventing further changes. This action doesn't send the invoice to the customer. The next steps depend on your invoice sending configuration, whether through KIM or your accounting software. The Email PDF option in the Export function generates an email pop-up with the invoice attached and pre-fills the recipient's email from the customer record. Additionally, sending the email to the client automatically uploads the invoice to your accounting software. The Send option in the toolbar is specifically intended for delivering invoices directly to clients rather than for integration with the accounting package. This feature is especially useful if a client needs a copy of the invoice after it has already been sent. Clicking the Mark as Paid button opens a pop-up that displays the invoice total and the current date. You can save to confirm or edit for partial payments. The Invoices section from the left-hand pane provides a comprehensive list of all invoices. Each invoice features a color-coded flag on the left, representing its status in line with the lifecycle stages above.